Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a review of Jimmy Cables, you know, the pink car in Cars 3 that sponsored by a dating app. Just don't think too heavily about that. Anyway, there's Jimmy. The car number is 00. On the back we see a Race Team Fillmore, Trainer Cruz Ramirez. Don't remember your name. Jimmy Murray. I did a review of you actually not that long ago. And Parker Breakson. Wait, no, not Parker Break. I can't even tell you right now. Anyway, let's get this guy unboxed. So let's get into the review of this guy. So the color scheme is a red and pink, which it makes sense because, well, it's a dating app. And it kind of would be like if Valentine's Day was a car, which now that I think about it, instead of taking Valentine's Day off this year, this guy's been sitting in my room since Christmas, so I should have done a video on. No, it's Daytona 500 Day. We don't talk about that. Anyway, he's another one of those cars that had a gradient number, like Lightning McQueen. Intersection shows two cars finding like a match for each other. Bring autos together. Intersection. See, I love how these ones actually put the little cameras on the back, unlike the other cars. And they have the little arrow for where the pit jack goes. Kind of wish they would have actually made the little spot for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I'm not even going to say leave a comment because I already know that YouTube's going to take off my comments. They're going to be put right back on. I will see you guys in my next video.